Let's learn clean vs. dirty. Are you ready? This is Tommy the cat. Tommy learns how to stay clean and healthy. Let's clean together.
Keep eating places clean. Clean spaces help us stay healthy.
Let's sing together. Wash your hands and scrub away. Keep the dirt and germs away.
Clean your room and take a bath. Healthy habits are the path.
Clean and fresh from head to toe. Healthy kids will learn and grow. Now kids, what do you clean every day? Hands? Toys?
Great job, kids! Tommy loved cleaning with you. See you next time!